الله. كيفكم يا جماعة؟ إن شاء الله تمام. هلا بالنسبة للناس اللي ما حضروا آخر إشي في موضوع الديبندنت، تمام. بس حبيت أحكي لكم إنه موضوع الديبندنت ايفنتس هو كيف بيصير. على سبيل المثال راح نحكي، ما بدي تركزوا على القوانين عشان الامتحان، ركزوا على السؤال. هون بحكي لي a jar contains 3 red, 5 green, 2 blue and 6 yellow, okay, marbles. A marble is chosen at random from the jar, okay. A second marble is chosen without replacing, okay, the first one. كلمة without replacing يعني ما راح أرجع الحجر. يعني إذا افترضنا أخذت الحجر من مكانه معناته that means that I'm not going to replace it. replace it معناته إنه ما راح أرجعه. ففي الحالة هاي إذا what is the probability of choosing، أعطاني green and yellow. الجرين شو هي؟ 5 over قديش؟ 3 و 5 و 2 و 5 هيك 16 over 16. طيب حكينا and يعني multiplication، اوكي. طب what about the yellow؟ the yellow قديش كم yellow في عندي؟ في 6 right؟ 6 yellow، okay, all over. This is the trick. The trick is since I'm not replacing، هذا بسموه dependent event. dependent event انه انا بعتمد على الحدث الاول عشان يصير الايفنت الثاني. ف 6 over قديش؟ 15. oops, why just subtract by 1؟ because اللي صار معي انه when I said without replacement معناته I'm not going to return it back to the jar itself, so that's the reason why I will subtract 1 from the denominator, because the total number of marbles decreases to 15. So at the end this is the answers, as you can see here. So we have 1 over 8. طب another example so that I can just explain more. Okay, aquarium, okay, contains 6 goldfish and 4 blue fish. You randomly selected a fish from the tank and do not replace it. So we are in independent mode now, and then randomly select a second fish. What is the probability that both fish are gold? So gold and gold. So in this case, what's the first gold is going to be 6 over 10. Then the second one is going to be another gold. Oppa. The denominator is going, we said we decrease. What about the number of fish that retains? Am I going to write 6 again? No, because already I chose one and the one that left the tank. So this is going to be now 5 over 9. 6 over 10 times 5 over 9. And the reason why that happens because it's a dependent probability, which means that the first event happens. After that, I just remove one fish, so the number of goldfish just decreases to 5, and the number of the total fish totally in the tank decreases to 9. And this is the reason why my total, okay, probability is going to be 6 over 10 times 5 over 9 is equal 1 over 3. Okay, now there are some hands out. I want from you to all to see it, which is when I say the word at least, it means as an example, I'm gonna just say an example. What is the probability that I'm getting if I'm tossing four coins? Okay, what is the probability to get at least one head? ايش يعني one head؟ يا اما head، يا اما two head، يا اما three head، يا اما 4 head. طب 4 coins mister, that is going to be 2 to power 4, which means 16 choices, and this is going to have a lot of work. So instead of doing head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, and that's going to take a lot of time. So what is the probability to get at least one head? One head معناته, or 2 head, or 3 head, or 4 head. Am I going to count all the heads? No. The only trick to do this is when we say 4 head, ايش الكومبلمنت تبع 4 head؟ tail, 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 tail. What do you mean, mister? I mean that if you want to calculate the total number of heads, the only choice and the easy one is to calculate the complement of that, which means that head times, sorry, tail times tail times tail times tail, which is equal 1 over قديش؟ 16. So in this case, remember the complement of this, okay, this is getting 4 tails. But my question is to get at least one head. معناته 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 because there are 4 coins. So the only choice is this is 1 over 16, which means I'm getting all the 4 coins tail. The complement is the rest going to be head. أي تغيير في أي واحدة منهم معناته I'm getting head. معناته الكلام إنه getting at least one head اللي هي الكومبلمنت تبع كلهم tails. Think about it carefully, which means that okay, at least one head, which means 1 minus 1 over 16, which is equal 15 over 16. That's the probability of getting what? For one head, two head, or three head, or four heads in the whole 16 choices of the probability. Okay, this is one of the major thing. Okay, I want from you to focus on. Just remember, okay, when I can use the complement event to solve the original question. Thank you very much for watching the video, and enjoy your day tomorrow, and wish you the best luck. Okay, and in your quiz. Have a good day. Bye.